Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Irene here. I hope you're all having an amazing day and happy fall. We talk about fashion on this channel and we talk about vegan and cruelty-free fashion because we believe that beautiful style and beautiful fashion shouldn't cost someone their lives, and it doesn't have to. I was sent a lot of beautiful vegan accessories and items and I wanted to open them with you and review them together and style them so that you can have some inspiration for your outfits this fall as well. If you're interested in any of the things I'm showing you, as usual, you can find the links in the description box down below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go. So I forgot to mention one important detail, which is I am now on TikTok at irene.marceline, just like my Instagram handle if you want to follow me there too. And I'm also on LTK, which is Like to Know It. It was previously called Reward Style. You can download the LTK app and follow me at Irene Marceline. I will link my account down below. Thank you so much, and now let's go to the video. So the first pair is the Melody Pro Black, and I love these ones because I love, you know, classic heels, but these ones come with a beautiful shape that makes them more special to me. So it's completely plastic free, the packaging, and the shoes are here. So what I love about these are the square toes, and the shape of the heel is so elegant as well. It's just very classic. It can go with like more casual styles, but also with classic styles. In my opinion, I think it can be worn daily without looking super formal at the same time. I also love that it has these ridges. This is a kind of fabric, so it has these ridges that look like a seashell almost, because the shape of the shoes, it just looks beautiful like that. And I will be styling them on the screen, you will see. These come with like really soft cushiony soles. These are the most comfortable VIVAIA high heels I've tried so far because they accommodate the wide feet much more, and I also sized up because I checked their size guide really extensively for the first time, and I noticed that if you have the second toe that is taller than all the other toes, which I call it Greek toe, you need to size up. And also if you have wide feet, which I do, you also need to size up accordingly. So I measured my feet and I normally wear 38, but with them I realized that I wear 39 or 39.5. Since these are high heels, I chose to go for 39.5 just because I like a little bit of wiggle room when it's heels, so that I can wear them for a long time without any pain. And I'm glad I did because I tried them on and they were super comfortable and they absolutely did not hurt or anything. For the second pair from VIVAIA, I went for the same shoes, Melody Pro, but in beige, because I think that a lighter creamy colored heels and a pair of black ones are essential for my wardrobe. It has this gorgeous cool toned beige color which suits my skin tone really well. And let me take off this mold again. And also I love this little brown detail here. It looks like wood. It isn't wood. These shoes are recycled plastic from ocean bottles, and the shape again is so elegant. It's the same exact shoe as before with the cushiony insoles and the ridges, and just in beige. The next pair of shoes are these gorgeous Mary Janes. So I have never found vegan Mary Janes anywhere before. I love Mary Janes. They're like a ballet flat. They're flats, but they look way more upgraded. They are more wearable in my opinion. They're just prettier than your classic flat. I love red, like bright red, and also this season's color is bright red, but if you're not into bright red, you can also try burgundy. I went with these and I'm so excited to wear them. When I opened them, when I first received them, all the people in our household just gathered around me and swooned at these. They're so beautiful, but if you don't like a pop of red, they also come in black. The next one is it's a beautiful, gorgeous bag from Alexandra K. If you're into vegan fashion, you will know this brand. I can't believe they sent me a bag. I'm just so happy, and I have never opened it. I received it just before I started filming this video, and I was like, you know what, this is a pivotal moment in my YouTube career. I need to open this in front of the camera. I started to open it, like I cut the scotch and I got a paper cut, and I thought, this is my moment. This is my sign to stop and open this with you guys. So yes, let's open it together. It says handmade especially for you. That makes me feel special. Okay. I'm trying to hold it as well as I can. I'm sorry. It's kind of hard. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So there's this little card here with a picture like that. Oh, hi Irene. I hope you will enjoy our Hope Maxi bag. Here is the discount code for your followers. Irene10. Lots of love, Alexandra. 10% off for 1 month, you guys. You got 10% off of Alexandra K. I cannot give you more love than this. I love them so much. I never got to try out their products because like they're so beautiful and high-end. Yeah, Irene10. You're welcome. So let's open this. It comes in a dust bag. Alright, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I love the brown croco. Like, I've always wanted a brown croco bag. This is like one of the best things to happen to me on YouTube. Like, I am so happy. And here there is a tag. Let's see. It says this bag is animal cruelty free and vegan, and I am so proud of that, and I will be showing that off. It has a chain. Let's open it. There is a magnetic closure here. 3 magnets. Ooh, everything got stuck on a magnet. Right. Now once I free this, all right. So that's how it is, and you can do this, you know, as per usual with lots of bags. I love that there is this shoulder pad because, you know, chain straps like that tend to look a little too much, but this really brings it down to earth. Also, it's not gonna slide on your shoulder as much. It's gonna be more stable. There is a pocket in the back here. Let's see, yeah, large pocket. And I think I'll use that to not lose my metro tickets in Paris. And inside there is 2 compartments like that. There is a zipper compartment in the middle. Perfect. And also a little pocket here. That's very deep. Like, it's not your usual pocket that I can put my hand in there. I can put my hand in here. I love this bag. I love this bag. Next, I was sent by Will's Vegan Store these beautiful, beautiful smart derbies in black. Let me show you. So again, it's plastic free. There is nothing plasticky going on in there. And it is not easy. I only have 2 arms. You gotta be patient. So these are the shoes. They as well have some mold in them. Let me take those off. And they're so pretty. They're super like British, I think, and they have these little golden thingies at the end of the laces, which I think is so cute, and it gives a little feminine touch. I never had shoes like this before because I always found them a little too masculine for my style, but these ones are just so dainty and cute and really, really comfortable. If you're working and you want shoes that you can stand in for a long time during the day without hurting your feet, as long as you choose a good size, you will be okay with these, and they're very, very comfortable. So the next shoes are these ones I bought from Alohas, and I love the color. First of all, this espresso brown is one of my favorite colors, and it's my neutral color of choice. And I got these with the chunky soles that are super trendy right now, but not because it's trendy. I think that just because they're trending right now doesn't mean they're not timeless, and I'm gonna wear them with so many outfits. I've already worn these, that's why I'm like trying to hold them a little farther from my body, but they were comfortable. I didn't have any issues. They did transfer the inner color to my cream sock that I was wearing, but I didn't mind that too much. And I think that they're very versatile pieces that are so essential for fall. I think that if I had to choose like 2-3 pairs of shoes for this fall only, I would definitely get these, and they come in many different colors. They come in black and cream and I think brown and cream and black and cream, etc. If I get the chance, I will buy these also in black because I think that they are essential shoes that I need in my wardrobe. And yeah, definitely love these. And I think that they're also true to size because I usually wear a 38 and these are 38 and they fit perfectly. I actually got a 38 and a 39 just to be sure that they're not gonna pinch me because loafers can be very painful sometimes, but the 39 was way too big and I kept the 38 and they have enough wiggle room and they just don't hurt. So the next pair is, again, I got these from Alohas and I love them. These are the first knee-high boots I got, like below the knee actually, in my adult life. I used to wear these a lot as a kid because my mom would buy me, but I never bought them as an adult because I didn't have so mini skirt as an adult, but I got one this year and I'm looking for another one that is gonna be pleated. And my favorite thing about these shoes, first of all, they're very comfortable. Second, I love the seam that goes through the middle. I think it gives it such a high-end look, and just the way, the sheen of it, the buttery look, it's just so beautiful. You couldn't tell that they're not real leather, they are vegan leather, and I love them. The heels also look, I think they're covered in leather too, like the same material as here. I just noticed that actually. I've worn them with so many outfits and I realized how versatile they are and how much I was missing these in my wardrobe since I got them. And even with maxi skirts and stuff, it looks amazing. And these ones, if I get to have them in brown, I'll not say no to that. Yeah, they have it in brown croco, which I love. It's like my favorite kind of leather is brown croco, so yeah. So the next one is this gorgeous NANUSHKA jacket in their special leather. It has a special name, it's their own design, and I will write it on the screen because I don't remember the name, but I just had this for a fraction of its original price at a great deal from Yukes, and I so love it. It's so buttery, it drapes amazingly. Every part of this, like construction wise, sewing wise, is just so high quality and amazing. And I will definitely, this is my first NANUSHKA purchase, and I will definitely be keeping an eye out for deals like this because it just looks so high-end, so beautiful. It has these gorgeous seams, like details on the sleeves that I love. I don't know if you can see, and beautiful buttons, and it has a tie like this that I can tie like that, and I think it's the perfect fall jacket layering piece. Just so beautiful and buttery and amazing. You could absolutely not tell that this is vegan leather, like it's so good. So these are all the lovely pieces that I got and I styled. I hope that you enjoyed and got some inspiration out of this. Please let me know what you thought of this in the comments down below. Remember to give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed already and you would like to see more of my videos, definitely remember to subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss any of the notifications when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and also remember to check out my LTK and TikTok down in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye!